There are lots of different congresses and fairs, and it's always good to be present all the time. But when you are thinking about the experience, it should be like having the meaningful conversations, and BDIA is one of them.
It's an opportunity to have lots of reputable companies showing off their wares, feel it, touch it, ask questions around it, see what you're missing out on, and what you could do to make your life easier and operate more efficiently.
We've really enjoyed it. It's been fantastic. It's been a great networking event as well. We've gone around, we've looked at everybody here exhibiting, and it's been fun.
It's easy to underestimate how expert some people are, but if you go and sit on individual stands and talk to people about their products and you really understand it, it makes a difference because they really know what they're talking about.
It's such a fantastic opportunity for us to be able to educate dental professionals on our new innovations. But not only that, it's such a lovely time for us to learn and connect with the wider dental industry and just be in amongst it, learn and grow.
Today I've really enjoyed a lot of the CPD options. There's a lot of lectures around, there's a lot of different speakers, a wide variety of topics, both NHS, private options, business options, so it's really well rounded.
So the BDIA Dental Showcase is a premier event for us where we get an opportunity to engage with our customers, speak with our dealer partners and really get a feel for the industry.
Delighted to come to a show and see so much optimism from the industry, an industry that's faced with a number of challenges, but that hasn't stopped the industry putting on a fantastic show, amazing product, lots of innovation, and I hope that our customers, the dental colleagues here, will have found it a fascinating and interesting show.
Thousands of people come in through the doors of the place. The speakers as well at the different theatres seem to be drawing a very big crowd. It's an exciting place to come for the latest and greatest in dentistry.
We see other shows and those shows are, equally interesting in what they do, but this show brings high-level GDPs, orthodontists, everyone, therapists, everyone in the clinical team are here. And that's why I would say this show is the best in the calendar every year.